In Canada's Okanagan Valley, Spotted Lake Kiluk presents a unique and striking geological phenomenon. During summer, most of the lake's water evaporates, revealing colorful mineral deposits in hundreds of places. These spots vary in color, from blue, green, to yellow, and brown, are rich in minerals like magnesium sulfate, calcium, and sodium sulfate. Spotted Lake has long been revered by the Okanagan Silent people, who consider it sacred due to its therapeutic properties. The lake's mineral composition is thought to have medical benefits, attracting visitors seeking natural remedies.